How to index website in Google WordPress. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to index WordPress website in Google. First of all, click on Start Now. From here you can select the property. You can add domain or URL prefix. I'll add URL prefix. I'll just copy the URL and paste it here, then click on Continue. It's checking for verification. Okay, so now if we have to verify, just scroll down and from here HTML tag, copy the code and then go to your WordPress dashboard. Then click on Appearance and then click on Theme File Editor. Scroll down and in this right sidebar search for header. This is theme header, click on it. And as you can see here, it is written head. Just click enter and now paste the code you copied. Then click on update file. So the file edited successfully. Now go back to your Google Search Console and then click on verify. Now it's verifying. So once you verify, this interface will appear on your screens. As you can see, it shows the performance here and indexing here. You can search for performance, URL inspection. Here it is written total clicks and total impressions. You can also search for pages. And from here you can track your site's most popular content. When I'll click on Search Console inside, it will show me performance on Google for past 28 days, and here it will show you the click from Google search, your growing content and most popular content. This is how you can index a website in Google WordPress. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.